Hi everyone. When we try to implement LinkedIn conversion tracking, especially server side tracking, we face a problem that is that our tag status tag fired, but the firing status shows failed. So in today's video, I will show how this problem can be solved easily. So let me show you how my current tags are implemented. Okay, so this is my all the LinkedIn server side tag. You see, I already had access token conversion rule ID, and this is a documentation that will help us to make this firing status fail to succeed. So in this document, we can see that we need to send access token, good conversion rule ID, okay, but we need to send this parameter also. Not all of this. If we can send only one parameter, it will help to make this status succeed. So here you can see hashed email. You know, in product page, the email is not available. So this option we cannot consider. Second one is LinkedIn click ID. We can do this one. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can do this. So now we need to go to our tag manager browser site and need to create a first party cookie variable. From new, need to select the first party cookie, and here we need to write li fat id, and the name will be li fat id. That is not a problem. Li fat id, save. Now we need to add this first party cookie parameter to all the GA4 tag, because the GA4 tag will send this data to the server. So here our GA4 tag. In event parameter, we need to add another parameter which is li fat id. Li means LinkedIn fat id, and here we need to put that first party cookie li fat id, save. Now need to do the same thing for other GA4 tag as well. Add parameter li fat id, li fat id, save. Fat id, fat id. Now for this one, scroll parameter li fat id, fat id, save. So our browser side work has done, and now we need to work in our server side. So this is one of my LinkedIn server side tag. Here you see option user id override. We need to expand this and click this add property. Here you can see there is 4 option that is mentioned here: HTML, LinkedIn, click ID, and these 2 other parameter. So only one parameter will work for me. So email is not available in product page view, so we will send or collect the fat id or first party cookie. So select this one, and now need to create a event data parameter. From here you see event data. Now write li fat id, save. Any name you can give here, li fat id, save. Now I need to add this parameter for all the LinkedIn tag, server side tag, save. So the product page view done. Now for scroll depth, fat id, save. Now for 80%, expand, select fat ID. Now for 25%, expand, select event data parameter. Only one remain, fat ID. All done. Now it's time to test it is working or not. So now we need to preview both server and browser container. Preview. You see the page loading. It will work. Yes. Okay, this is server side preview. Product page view. You see fired on time. Here. Sorry. Here. Succeed. And for other events, let me check it is working or not. Scroll event. Scroll 25%. Succeed. 80% succeed. 50% succeed. Another event that is qualified user. Yeah, succeed. This is how you can fix that firing status failed problem. I hope this tutorial or video will help you if you face similar issue that I faced.